Ever feel lost in the crypto space, especially when someone asks for your Ethereum address? Don't worry, we're cutting through the confusion and showing you exactly where to find it in your Metamask wallet. Hey crypto explorers, today we're diving into Metamask to pinpoint your Ethereum address, the key to receiving ETH and other ERC20 tokens safely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Metamask extension is installed and unlocked in your browser. Click on the Metamask Fox icon in your browser toolbar to open your wallet. Now, look at the top center of the Metamask window. You'll see your account name, likely account 1. Unless you've renamed it. Right below that, you'll find a string of characters. This is your Ethereum address. To easily copy your address, simply click on the account name or the address itself. Metamask will automatically copy it to your clipboard. The address will start with 0x followed by a string of letters and numbers. This is extremely important. Double check this address after you copy it. Before sharing, always verify the first few and last few characters of the address with the person requesting it. This prevents sending your precious crypto to the wrong place due to copy-paste errors or potential scams. Verifying makes sure you're sharing the correct address. And there you have it. Finding your Ethereum address in Metamask is simple, but verifying it is essential for secure transactions. Stay safe and happy cryptoing.